At 6:12 on a Tuesday morning, your phone lights up while you are standing beside a washing machine that keeps eating your quarters. Your checking account has $86.12 in it. Your rent is due in 4 days. Then the lottery app shows 6 numbers, and every one of them is printed on the ticket inside your wallet. The jackpot is $600 million. For 10 seconds, you feel rich. For the next 10 minutes, you are in more financial danger than ever before. Not because someone is following you, because your brain is already spending money you do not legally control yet. A house for your mother, a new car, a screenshot for the group chat. One emotional decision can turn a private win into a permanent public identity. So you do the hardest thing first. Nothing. You do not post. You do not call anyone. You do not quit your job. You secure the ticket according to the rules where it was purchased, because claim and privacy rules differ by jurisdiction. Then you create your first wealth rule. No promises for 90 days. No loans. No gifts. No business deals. No luxury shopping. You are not being selfish. You are giving your emotions time to catch up with your new reality. Your first call is not to a realtor. It is to an attorney, experienced in tax, trusts, and estates. Your second call is to a qualified tax professional. Your third is to a licensed investment professional, whose background you verify yourself. You do not hand one person complete control. You build a small team where every professional can question the others. Before claiming the prize, you ask 4 questions. Can my identity legally remain private? Which lawful claiming structure fits my situation? What will remain after taxes? And does a cash option or annuity better match my goals and self-control? The sign says $600 million, but the sign is not your bank balance. The cash option can be far below the advertised jackpot, and lottery winnings are taxable. When the money arrives, your first move is not investing. It is separation. One account for estimated taxes. One account for 2 years of planned living costs. One account for short-term goals. And one account for long-term investing. The tax money is untouchable. The living account gives you peace. The investment account protects your future from your excitement. Then you give yourself a salary. Not unlimited access. A fixed monthly salary that is reviewed only once a year. A fortune rarely disappears through one purchase. It disappears through thousands of purchases that stop feeling expensive. A $200 dinner becomes normal. Then a $2,000 weekend becomes normal. Then a $20,000 favor becomes normal. A fixed salary puts friction back into spending. Next, you deal with debt. High-interest debt may deserve immediate attention. But you do not automatically erase every low-rate loan without comparing interest, liquidity, taxes, and peace of mind. Personal finance is not about making the move that looks richest. It is about making the move that leaves you strongest. Then you build the boring core. Diversified investments, high-quality bonds, cash reserves, real estate only when the numbers work. No all-in bet on one stock. No cousin's secret business opportunity. No deal that must be funded by Friday. If someone will not give your advisors time to review the documents, they do not need an investor. They need a victim. Now comes the hardest category. Family. Love without rules can quietly become a permanent payroll. So before anyone asks, you create a written family giving policy. You decide how much you can give each year. You decide whether help means education, medical support, a one-time gift, or a professionally structured plan. You stop making emotional loans. A personal loan without proper terms is often a gift with resentment attached. The policy becomes the bad guy, so you do not renegotiate every relationship each weekend. Then you protect your privacy. A separate email for financial accounts. A separate phone number. Strong authentication. Credit monitoring. No real-time location posts. No photos that reveal your home, vehicles, or travel routine. Privacy is not pretending to be poor. It is controlling what strangers can learn about you. After the plan is built, you are allowed to enjoy the money. Upgrade your home. Travel. Help people. Buy something ridiculous. But fun money comes from a defined bucket, not from the investment engine. A bucket has a bottom. The engine must keep running. 1 year later, the best outcome is not simply that you still have millions. It is that your family is safer, your time belongs to you, your investments are diversified, and your generosity has boundaries. And this lesson works even if you never win a lottery. Pause before life-changing purchases. Verify the people advising you. Separate taxes from spending money. Automate long-term investing. Give generosity a budget. And never let a sudden increase in income become a permanent increase in ego. Because wealth is not the moment money arrives. Wealth is what remains after taxes, pressure, bad advice, and your own impulses have taken their turn. So if $600 million landed in your life tonight, what would be your first rule? Not your first purchase. Your first rule.